Crash course on China, South Korea dispute on Terminal High Altitude Area Defense, THAAD, and impact on regional stability. The deployment of the Terminal High Altitude Area Defense, THAAD, missile defense system in South Korea has been a contentious issue between China and South Korea, which has had a significant impact on regional stability. The dispute stems from China's concerns that the THAAD system, which is designed to intercept incoming missiles, could be used to track and monitor Chinese missiles, compromising China's national security. In this article, we will provide a crash course on the China-South Korea dispute on THAAD, explore its impact on regional stability, and list the top 12 THAAD disputes. History of the dispute. In July 2016, the US and South Korea announced their decision to deploy the THAAD system in South Korea as a response to North Korea's growing nuclear and missile threats. China strongly opposed the move, arguing that the deployment of THAAD could undermine China's national security and regional stability. China also imposed economic sanctions on South Korea in response to the deployment. South Korea, on the other hand, argued that the THAAD system is purely defensive and necessary to protect the country from North Korean missile threats. The US also supported the deployment of THAAD, arguing that it is necessary to protect both South Korea and US military forces stationed in the region. Impact on regional stability. The China-South Korea dispute on THAAD has had a significant impact on regional stability, particularly in the following areas. Security. The deployment of THAAD has increased tensions on the Korean Peninsula, with North Korea viewing the system as a direct threat. The deployment has also affected the security relationship between China and South Korea. Economy. The economic sanctions imposed by China on South Korea in response to the deployment of THAAD have had a significant impact on the South Korean economy, particularly on the tourism and entertainment industries. Diplomacy. The dispute has strained the diplomatic relationship between China and South Korea, with China canceling high-level diplomatic meetings and cultural events. Top 12 THAAD disputes. 1. The deployment of THAAD in South Korea by the US and South Korea in July 2016. 2. China's concern that the THAAD system could be used to monitor its missile activity, compromising its national security. 3. South Korea's argument that the THAAD system is purely defensive and necessary to protect the country from North Korean missile threats. 4. The US's support for the deployment of THAAD in South Korea. 5. North Korea's condemnation of the deployment of THAAD as a direct threat to its security. 6. China's imposition of economic sanctions on South Korea in response to the deployment of THAAD. 7. The impact of China's economic sanctions on the South Korean economy, particularly on the tourism and entertainment industries. 8. The diplomatic fallout between China and South Korea, with China canceling high-level diplomatic meetings and cultural events. 9. The impact of the THAAD dispute on the security relationship between China and South Korea. 10. The impact of the THAAD dispute on the US-South Korea alliance. 11. The impact of the THAAD dispute on regional stability, particularly on the Korean Peninsula. 12. The broader implications of the THAAD dispute for regional security and stability in East Asia. Interesting stories. In 2017, a South Korean pop star, Park Yoo-chun, was banned from entering China due to his public support for the THAAD deployment. In 2018, a South Korean government official revealed that China had requested that South Korea not deploy any additional THAAD systems in the future, as a condition for lifting the economic sanctions. Here's a poem on THAAD dispute. THAAD, a system meant to protect. But in East Asia, it causes neglect. China sees it as a threat to its security. The tensions rise, the diplomacy falls. As the THAAD dispute takes its toll. Economic sanctions, cancelled meetings. The relationship between nations, fleeting. North Korea watches with wary eyes. As the system looms in the skies. The US supports, South Korea defends. While China's concerns never end. The impact on the region is vast. As stability seems to be of the past. Tourism and entertainment take a hit. As the dispute shows no signs of quit. But amidst the chaos and the strife, there may still be hope for a better life. If nations can come to an understanding and work towards peace that is never ending, the THAAD dispute may be a challenge, But with cooperation, it can be managed. Let's hope for a future that's bright and clear, where nations can come together without fear. ******. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 equals 7989335 is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.